You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to your guide to international relocation. If you're considering a move from the U.S. to South Africa, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore how SDC International Shipping can make your transition as smooth as possible, from handling your belongings to navigating customs and even more. Moving to South Africa is an exciting adventure. Whether the stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, or unique lifestyle opportunities draw you, at SDC International Shipping, we understand that moving internationally can be overwhelming, and that's why we're here to ensure that every aspect of your move is handled with care and professionalism. From packing to custom clearance, our goal is to make your relocation stress-free and seamless. When we say we handle your entire move, we truly mean it. Our service covers everything from household items and vehicles to pianos and artwork. Whether you need door-to-door delivery or opt for one of our other service levels, like door-to-port or port-to-door, we have solutions tailored to your needs. Our comprehensive approach ensures that your shipment arrives safely and on time. So whether you're headed to Cape Town or Johannesburg, we're here for you. Proper packing is, of course, crucial for a successful move. Inadequate packing can lead to breakage and damages, and that's why our expert team at SDC International Shipping uses the best packing materials and techniques to ensure your belongings are securely packed and protected. Whether it's boxes, pallets, or containers, we handle it all with precision and care. If you need to move your vehicle to South Africa, we offer both air and sea freight options. Air freight is ideal for quick relocations and ensures timely delivery, while sea freight provides a more cost-effective solutions with substantial savings. Our customized solutions meet your shipping requirements, ensuring your vehicle arrives in excellent condition. Protecting your belongings during transit is, of course, essential. We highly recommend obtaining international moving insurance to safeguard your items. Our knowledgeable logistic agents can help you explore various coverage options to secure peace of mind for your move. For valuable possessions like artworks or pianos, we offer specialized services. Our team is experienced in handling fragile and high-value items, ensuring they are shipped with the utmost care and arrive at your new home in perfect condition. Trust us to manage your precious belongings so you can enjoy a stress-free moving experience. Navigating customs can be daunting, especially when it comes to taxes on your household items. At SDC International Shipping, we simplify the process by providing clear guidance on which items are taxable and how to potentially avoid unexpected bills. Our goal is to take the stress out of custom clearance, making your transition as smooth as possible. South Africa offers a range of living environments, from the sandy beaches of Cape Town to the bustling city life of Johannesburg. Our import services cater to key ports across South Africa, ensuring a seamless move to your chosen destination. With over 14 years of experience, SDC International Shipping is dedicated to providing exceptional service. We offer competitive prices, personalized shipping quotes, and a commitment to ethical business practices. Our goal is to make your move as smooth and stress-free as possible. Thanks for listening to this episode. If you're planning a move to South Africa, let SDC International Shipping be your guide. Visit our website to explore our comprehensive moving services and get in touch with our team. We're here to help you start your new chapter with confidence and ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more tips on international relocation, and stay tuned for tomorrow when we talk more about moving from the U.S. to South Africa.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.